Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You acted fast, good. First, stop using the phone or camera to avoid overwriting deleted files. That preserves recovery odds. Next, open the Photos app or File Manager and check the recently deleted or trash folder, restore directly if present. Once done, sign into your cloud accounts, Google Photos, iCloud, OneDrive, and confirm sync. If backups exist, download the originals. If nothing appears, make an image backup of the device to a computer before further recovery. Now you'll perform more complex recovery on a computer. First, create a full disk image of the device using a tool like DD or the software's imaging feature. This prevents damage to originals. Then attach the image to recovery software and run a non-destructive scan. Choose deep or sector-level scan and restrict file types to common photo formats, JPEG, PNG, HEIC. Once scanning finishes, preview recoverable files and export only verified images to a new drive to avoid overwriting. Finish by verifying each recovered photo, open several to confirm integrity, and then recreate folder structure and timestamps where possible. If some images are corrupted, run a second pass with a different recovery tool or a specialized image repair utility, because different algorithms recover different fragments. If recovery still fails, restore from an existing cloud or local backup. If no backup exists and data is critical, contact a professional data recovery service. Keep the device
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.